Good day, and today we are going to learn how to draw a linear graph, also called a straight line graph, using the table method. For example 1, we will learn how to draw a graph. The equation is y equal to 2x plus 2. On the left hand side are the steps, and on the right hand side are the table and the graph. So let's do it together. First, you are going to generate a table. Okay, the table has 3 columns. The first column is the x column, second column is the y column, and the third column is the coordinate xy column. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do after drawing the table is to choose any 3 values of x. I've chosen the 3 easiest value, and I suggest you do so. The numbers are 0, 1, and 2. Okay, technically you only need 2 points to draw, but you choose 3 points to make sure that you are on the right track and your calculation is correct. Next, you are going to find the corresponding value of y by substituting the value of the x value into the equation. So let's do it together, okay? So the equation is y equal to 2x plus 2, okay? So if your x is 0, you're going to substitute x is 0 into the equation. So y equal to 2 times 0 plus 2. So 2 times 0 is 0 plus 2, so y equal to 2, okay? Then you are going to put the numbers x, y value in the third column. So when x is 0, y is 2. Very simple as that. Okay? So you plot the point 0, 2 on the graph. So 0, 2, x is 0, y is 2. So the first point is there. Okay? Got it so far? Great. Then you are going to find the value for y when x is 1. So y equal to 2 times 1 plus 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, so y equal to 4. So when x is 1, y is 4. So what you do, you're going to plot the points on the graph. So 1, 4, and that's the point. And remember, you put a cross in NCA. If you draw a circle, they will be marked wrong. Okay? And next thing, we're going to find when x equal to 2, same thing, y equal to 2, substitute 2 plus 2. So it's going to be 2 times 2 is going to be 4. 4 times plus 2 is going to be 6. So the coordinate is 2, 6. So you can find the point x is 2, y is 6, and the point is there. And the last point, to draw the graph, you just need to draw the line across the 3 points. If they all lie on a straight line, then you are on the right track. And the last step, you just label them y equal to 2x plus 2, and that will be all good. Okay? Got it? Great. Now we're going to do another example, and we shall do a little bit harder with a negative gradient. Y equal to negative 3x plus 1. So again, we are going to plot a table of x, y, and xy. Okay? So you choose a 3x value. I've chosen 0, 1, 2. I always choose 0, 1, 2. Okay? And then we are going to plot the graph by substituting the values in the table first. So y, when x is 0, it will be minus 3 times 0 plus 1, and the answer is 1. Okay, because minus 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So the first coordinate is 0, 1. So we plot the point 0, 1 on the graph. Okay? Next point is 1. When x equal to 1, so y equal to minus 3 times 1 plus 1. So minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, plus 1 is minus 2. So the next point is going to be 1, negative 2. So when x is 1, y is negative 2, so that will be the next point. Okay? Next and the last point, when x equal to 2, so y equal to negative 3 times 2 plus 1. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 1 will give you negative 5. So the coordinate will be 2, negative 5. So when x is 2, y is negative 5. Okay? So now the last point, you're going to plot the graph, and then you, hopefully it's a straight line. It looks like a straight line. You draw the line, and you are labeled the graph y equals to minus 3x plus 1, and that is all you need to do. Hope you learned something from learning how to draw a straight line graph using the table method. Cheers, everyone.